Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doodle World. Start by understanding the core mechanics of Doodle World, which revolve around collecting unique creatures called doodles and engaging them in strategic battles. Your very first decision, selecting a starter doodle, is crucial. It will be your primary companion for the initial hours. Immediately after, begin exploring the vibrant starting zones. Here, you will encounter your first wild doodles to capture and receive introductory quests that guide you through the game's fundamentals. To expand your team, you'll need to capture wild doodles. First, engage them in battle and strategically weaken them, reducing their health to a low amount, typically below 1/4. Then, deploy a doodle ball to attempt a capture. Success rates vary, so be prepared to use multiple balls. Once captured, train your doodles by participating in battles against other trainers and wild creatures. This process helps them gain experience points and grow stronger. Mastering battles is key to progression. Each doodle possesses a specific type, like fire or water, which dictates its strengths and weaknesses against other types. Understanding these elemental matchups is vital for strategic advantage. Aim to build a balanced team of 6 doodles, ensuring you have diverse types to counter various opponents. During combat, carefully select your doodles' moves, leveraging their unique abilities to maximize damage and minimize incoming attacks. As you progress, focus on completing the main story quests. These narratives will guide you through the world, unlocking new regions, powerful doodles, and more challenging trainers. Don't forget to engage in side quests and special events. They often provide excellent rewards, including rare items and experience boosts. Finally, consider trading doodles with other players. This is an excellent way to acquire doodles you haven't found and complete your extensive collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.